Start recording. Stop recording. Button. Stop recording. Speech off.
Alright, hello YouTube. Welcome to another Smoke Alarm Collector 1000 video. And today, in this video, do you want to say who you are quick?
Fire alarms, microbits, and more.
Right, and today guys, we have a very rare unboxing. This is going to be awesome. This is the First Alert carbon monoxide only unit. So it's in the box right here, and the box is a little bit different when you get them on Amazon. They're like a little more square instead of like kind of circle with that curve on the bottom and then with a circle on top. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Open it up right there. Battery's coming to meet me. Battery's coming to meet me.
That's funny.
Oh. Oh my god. It feels just like my... Wow. Okay then. That's actually pretty cool. That's actually pretty cool. It feels just like the one that it feels just like the one I have. Holy cow, it's, you know what's crazy though? It's actually lighter than the It's actually lighter than the regular one, than the regular smoke ones though.
Huh, that's weird. Because I feel like it would be a little bit heavier because carbon monoxide sensor was a little bit bigger.
Yeah, that's what I thought too. Ooh. Let's throw these in.
Oh, you got something in the mail today?
Yep.
Alright.
You guys may not want to, you may want to close the doors because it's going to get loud out here for a minute.
Well, just a minute, buddy.
Okay.
Let's take your harness off.
Okay, I got the batteries in.
Huh?
What location are you going to program it?
I don't know. But,
I gotta get the milk.
ready for the moment of truth?
Sure.
Alright, let's power it on and see what it has to say. 1, 2, 3. Whoa.
To select location, press and hold test button now. To save location, press
That
and
was
hold
cool.
test button after location is heard. Basement, child's bedroom, dining room, family room, guest bedroom, hallway, kitchen, living room location saved. Press and hold test button to test unit.
Wow, I'm really surprised it didn't say like welcome first alert carbon monoxide alarm.
I know, right? Like
It
that.
just went straight to the location.
Yeah.
That's weird.
Alright, let's give it the first test. I mean, this is going to be, if you ask me, this is going to be a really cool test. Right?
Yeah.
So I'm going to put it down here. And let's test it. Here we go.
Testing.
Here we go.
That's your candy bars.
Oh, it's going to go off.
Oh, here's your candy bar.
It's going to go off.
Okay.
Warning. Evacuate carbon monoxide in living room. Evacuate.
Dude, it seems weird to only hear that as one test.
I know, it's crazy. This is a really unique alarm.
Yeah, but here, just a little comparison. Let's get this one. Like, look at they're not even different at all. Like, look at the comparison.
Yeah, they're both like the same size and everything.
I thought it was gonna have the high pitched beat, but I guess.
Well, this one appears to be a second generation, which is surprising. I thought it would be a third, but
That's what I would have thought too. But still, I got like one of the most rarest alarms ever. So you said this should connect to one. This should connect to my other units,
yeah, you
right?
should pair with the rest of them.
Oh, should I try it and see if they'll all?
Yeah, you should try it and see what happens when you test them all.
All right. All right, we'll try it. So that means I'm gonna have to put this one into pairing mode. Alright, so I'm gonna put this one in pairing mode. And so I'm gonna pull out this hard battery drawer here. Yeah. There we go. Alright, just to make this easier, I'm actually going to grab one of the other talking ones. Because
All right.
I've tried it with the other hardwired before, and it didn't really connect correctly when I did it with the hardwired. So let's.
That's weird.
Oh, ready for the awesome turn on? Here we go.
Welcome. Living room location programmed. To change location, press and hold test
Oh my
button
god,
now.
that is so.
Press and hold test button to test unit.
Wow.
All right, it's paired and ready to go.
Yeah, but like seriously, you can't tell me that ain't cool because that is just so awesome. Like seriously, don't you think?
Yeah, that is awesome.
Like seriously, that is like one of the coolest ones I've seen yet, and I'm glad I got it too because, yeah, I bet you if I wouldn't have. Wouldn't have had any more, and then I would have regretted it. All right, so should I start actually? Should I start a test from one of the new ones, or should I start it from one of the other ones?
I think you should start a test from like an SEO 500, just because it has both for the smoke and carbon monoxide, so we can see like what happens to both. You know.
Okay, let me find one. Let me find one. Because I'm gonna need to find one. Big box of mine. I don't know, I'll have you tell me. That way I can, that way I won't have to be looking for hours. That's a hard word. Unstack these two, because right now they're stacked, and that's kind of the thing. Is that one? Nope, that's an SA.
YouTube. Now. YouTube. Red circle.
Can you turn it
Live
around?
now. Liam Irvin. Crazy party for May 27th, 2022.
Oh yeah, that is an
Attachment.
SA.
Yep, I thought so. I can tell by the feel. I know that's an SA too. Is that an SA as well?
Yeah, that is.
I thought so. Alright, I'm gonna put these two to the side. And after I test them all, maybe what I'll do is I'll do a comparison of like, now that I have all three types of unit, maybe I'll do like a comparison of like all three turn-ons, like a smoke only, a smoke and carbon monoxide, and then a carbon monoxide only. That way we can like compare all three startups. Wouldn't that be cool?
Yeah.
I think that's an SEO, isn't it? Or is that another?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, that is an SEO.
Okay, good. Perfect. So I'm gonna put it right down here below, and then I'm gonna keep one of these essays out. That way we can have it for at the end when we compare the turn-ons. Because wouldn't that be fun if we actually compared how they start?
Yeah, that would be. I can actually set up a timer and see how long the turn-ons are.
I know the carbon monoxide one. Carbon monoxide only is the shortest.
Yeah, that's gotta be short.
So that's the essay. Actually, I think. Wait, is that the essay or the SEO? I think that's the essay.
That's an essay.
Okay, that's what I thought. So I'm gonna put this one. Okay, it's funny because when we say that's an essay, it almost sounds like we're talking about writing.
Right.
That's funny. All right, so I'm actually gonna put this on top of the box. There. All right. So now the SCO 500 is down below here. I'm gonna go ahead and press this one.
Testing.
Whoa. Whoa.
That was pretty quick.
Uh-oh, here we go. Here we go.
Testing.
Oh, that was late.
Evacuate. Carbon monoxide in hallway. Evacuate. Highest carbon monoxide level was 0 ppm. Warning. Evacuate. Carbon monoxide in hallway. Evacuate. Highest carbon monoxide level was 0 ppm. Warning. Evacuate. Carbon monoxide in hallway. Evacuate. Highest carbon monoxide level was 0 ppm.
Oh my god, the other ones were still
That was pretty cool.
The other ones were still going, but the carbon monoxide only one was already done.
Yeah, that one finished pretty quickly.
I mean, that's kind of funny though, cause the other ones were still going. The carbon monoxide only was already done.
Yeah.
That's crazy, dude.
It's had a pretty quick cycle.
All right, so now we're gonna compare their startups.
Yeah, I have a stopwatch going so we can see how long each startup is.
All right. So probably our best way to do this would be I'm gonna pull out the battery drawer, and then as soon as as soon as you hear the battery drawer click, then you can start the stopwatch. Like when I push it in, like as soon as you hear the click in, then you can start the stopwatch.
Cool.
All right, so I'm gonna pull it out first. All right, this is just to pull out. All right, that's just to pull out. All right, now it's gonna click right. Here we go.
Welcome. First alert, carbon monoxide and smoke alarm. Hallway location programmed. To change location, press and hold test button now. Press and hold test button to test unit.
Okay, that was 15.2 seconds.
All right, now let's do a smoke-only startup. Dude, this is awesome now, though, dude. Because I literally have like every type now. Like most people.
Yeah, you have all of them in the series.
Like most people in this community don't. I think so far.
That is pretty cool.
I think so far I'm the only one that does. You know.
Yeah, you might be.
All right, let's do a smoke-only startup. Now, I'd imagine this one's going to be kind of short, so let's... Alright, this is just to pull out. Okay, get ready, because I'm going to push it.
Welcome. First alert, smoke alarm. Kitchen location programmed. To change location, press and hold test button now. Press and hold test button to test unit.
Okay, so that one was 13.3 seconds.
Ooh, just a hair, just not even by much, just a hair shorter.
Yeah.
Not even by, I mean, not even by much at all. Like,
It
really.
was only like 2 seconds, which I was a little surprised. I thought it'd be a little bit more.
Yeah, not even. Okay, but I would imagine this is. Oh no, I just knocked the phone over.
Yeah, the CO only version would be super short.
I just knocked the phone over. So sorry. There you go. Yeah, I bet you this one's going to be really short. Actually, can I push this forward a little bit so I don't have to, like, worry about knocking it over? Yes, I can. Okay, good. Alright. Now, this one's kind of hard to push in, so you're going to have to kind of give me a second. I don't know why. This one's kind of hard to push in, but here we go. Okay, let's be ready for that click, because this one, I mean, this one may have like 2 clicks, because this one's hard to get into. Here we go.
Welcome. Living room location programmed. To change location, press and hold test button now. Press and hold test button to test unit.
How long was that?
That was about 10.5 seconds.
Holy cow, that's short.
Yeah.
But I mean, I love this alarm, but I don't like how that, like, I don't like how hard, I don't like how
Skips that
hard
startup thing.
I don't like how hard that battery drawer is being on me. That's kind of not good, actually.
Yeah, I know that some of the battery drawers can be really hard to open. I don't know why that is.
I mean, it's
And
not.
closed.
I mean, it's not hard to open. Like, see, I can open it fine. Like, see, it's not hard to open. But see, like when I close it, like here's the thing. Like when I close it, like watch this. Like when I close it, like I gotta kind of like
Force it in.
Welcome. Living room location programmed.
whoa.
To change location, press and hold test button now. Press and hold test button to test unit.
That is seriously, that is seriously one of the most unique startups I've ever heard.
Yeah.
Now before we end the video, do you think I should like test? Oh, you know what'd be really cool? Like, do you think I should do like a test again, like where I do to like test them all, or do you think I should like unlink these 3 and like like do like a test comparison like of them individually? Like
Yeah, that would be cool to test them individually.
Like a smoke
I
only,
could also
like
time
a,
them individually.
like a smoke and carbon monoxide test, a smoke only test, and then a carbon monoxide only test.
Yeah, that would be cool.
All right, so let me first unlink these first, because that's going to be the first step. So let's go. All right, I'm going to get the hard. That is so light. Like, what the heck? You'd think that'd be heavy, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
That is so light. All right, let's get the hardest one out of the way first. Beep.
Welcome. Living room location programmed. To change location, press and hold test button now. Press and hold test button to test unit.
I don't know why, but this one's so easy. Like, look at this one.
Welcome. First alert carbon monoxide and smoke alarm. Hallway location programmed. To change location, press and hold test button now. Press and hold test button to test unit.
Get ready. Here comes that awesome high-pitched beep.
Welcome. First alert smoke alarm. Kitchen location programmed. To change location, press and hold test button now. Press and hold test button to test unit.
All right, so we're gonna start with a smoke and CO test.
All right. I'll start the timer as soon as it starts beeping.
Okay, so here goes the first initial start.
Testing. Warning. Evacuate. Smoke in hallway. Evacuate.
Okay, that was 25 seconds.
25. Oh, wow, 25 even. Okay.
Well, actually 25.4, but
Right.
yes, it was 25.4.
All right, ready for the smoke only test?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, here we go.
Testing. Warning. Evacuate. Smoke in kitchen. Evacuate.
Okay, that was 9.8 seconds.
Oh my god, that's gonna be one of the most shortest tests.